Today's topic is, why doesn't your toddler listen to you? The simple answer is, because we're stupid adults. That's why. We are the stupid ones. Rule number 1, they don't listen because you don't respond right. You respond, but not right. Not all the time is it easy to respond to a toddler that is upset. Right now, he is happy because I give him food. Yep, food. Crikey, the baby ate my dingo. Oh my!
Dingo?
It's coming to terrorize all of us. Rule number 2, speak their language. Oh, this is rule 3. Always be silly. Always be silly. Hey, Obi, what are you doing?
No.
No? Did you go icky boom boom and then take a shower? Can you tell? Yeah. Yes, he did. See? Always reflect on the things they remember. Always. Rule number 3, make sure they have eye candy at all times. You gotta be able to get them to concentrate. Period. Hey, Obi, what do you see?
A flower.
Yeah, we're around the flowers. See? Good circumstance. Are all these flowers pretty? Can you say pretty flowers? Yeah. Good job. Yeah, that's a big flower. Good job. See how you can really get them to concentrate? They have brains. Help them use them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Happy times. On every corner. Remember, dads, you gotta be incorporated. Incorporated. You're the biggest influence in their lives, besides mom. Incorporate yourself into their lives. It's the most important thing you'll ever do. Sports don't matter, nothing matters. Except for incorporating yourself in your children's life. If you're not a stable person, they won't be a stable person. They are who you are. You see, we've ran into a dilemma. And the dilemma is, I don't know what he wants. Obi, tell me what you want. Oh, those are flowers. See, back on track. That's how you get your toddler to listen to you. Eating is a totally different thing. Always tell them exactly what you want. Never deviate from what you're saying. Always tell them what you are doing. Hey, Obi, we're gonna make a fireplace. Or a fire pit. Yeah.
Fireplace?
Yeah. Can you say fire pit?
Fireplace?
Good job. We're working on his words. He's been in speech therapy and he's doing fantastic. Oh, yeah, we're gonna make a fireplace. What are we looking at right now? Can you tell everybody? What are these, cinder blocks? Can you say cinder blocks? Good job, Obi. What is it? You see it? Do you know what that is now? Yeah. Those are the blocks. Yeah, good job, Obi. Do you see them? Yeah, we got a child on the move. This is the most crucial part of parenting right here. Stay back, watch what they're gonna do. What do you got there? What is that? What is it?
One block.
A block. Another block. This is it, folks. This is what you do. This is the very basics of construction and building a relationship with your children. Just do it. Take your time. Let them get messy. No one's gonna stop you. See, a lot of parents I see, they don't like to take their kids out because they're afraid of how they're going to act. Well, they're going to act how you respond. So don't respond to how they act. Respond to how you want them to act. That's reverse psychology. Or psychology 101.
Butterfly. A butterfly.
Make it happen. It's simple. My child's doing fantastic right now. Just bring your kids out. Have fun. Don't be afraid what people are going to think. Just get out there. No matter the age, make sure you have a good baby carrier or toddler carrier. Mine likes a little lap seat. This one works great. Just sling them on your shoulder. Have some fun. Get out there and have a blast. Make the world messy and fun. Okay, rough overview. Don't be stupid. Make things fun. Occupy them. And always get down on their level and learn with them. Simple. Always be ready to take on any challenge that they're willing to take on. Learning 101. I do most of my videos unscripted, but remember, we tell them, don't be stupid.
No.
Okay, see, he's too nice. Don't be stupid. Don't have stupid parent syndrome. Don't ever be afraid to have fun. Get down and dirty with it. Make everything fun. And learn a couple things along the way. That's how you get your toddler to listen to you. You want to see something? He's been listening to me this whole entire shopping trip, and we've been here for an hour. Did you have fun?
Have fun.
Yeah, have fun. That's right. Yeah, great job inside there. You're such a good boy. Remember, always reward good behavior also. Always reward the behavior that you want. I see a lot of people, no, why are you doing that? I'm going to spank you on the butt. Don't do that. Don't be a stupid parent. That's it. Don't be stupid. Be a kid. Do you remember what that was like? Do that.